And this is regarding for the convenience of the parking lot owners so that they can improve the quality im- and meet the upcoming needs of the current system. So let us begin with. So this is the pop-up that comes in front of the operator, and here we are in front of the login screen and the which contains of login ID and password. Every operator is assigned a different login ID and password. All you have to do is fill this login ID password, and he can log in and do some entries and do some of his work. Suppose he just forgot his password, he can click on forward password option. See, a new 6-digit password has been sent to a registered mobile number. The registered mobile number is of the owner, and he will get that registered password from his owner. As he got the registered password from his the new password from his owner, he can just log in now. As you press on the login, here comes the front home screen that a software has. This is well, she say welcome to vehicle parking. First, there are 7 forms in this registration to register a new customer. Layout for setting a new slot, or how much slots for four-wheeler do you have, and how much slots for two-wheelers you have. Next one is for the entry when a vehicle will enter. After the show all, for we can see the previous records. After that is search vehicle. We can search for specific vehicle, how much time it has visited our parking, and next to the exit, and we can just how much time. When the person wants to check out, he will have to go through exit phase, and after that the about us option. The first thing first, the first the parking lot owner will set the layout according to his parking. So first he have to fill is the floor number, as he filled the floor number as 1 and capacity as 10. He has 10 slots for the four wheelers at floor number 1. So he will just click on these options save, and 10 slots are added at floor number 1. Similarly for on two wheelers, suppose he has capacity of 15 two wheelers at floor number 2. So he will fill that, and see 15 slots are added at floor number 2. After setting this layout, all he have to do is welcome the customer. So when the first customer arrive, he will have to and go through the registration process, in which customer ID is the license number, customer name, contact is the mobile number, city, address, and obviously the pic of the car and the person together, and that will be taken by the camera above. He has filled all the details and also have done a pic and also had uploaded, so he can just save the record of that person, and the record has been saved. And now here we are, he will just now enter the let the vehicle enter in the parking slot. So first here he will fill the license number that he was given. 30697 was the license number, I just imagined it. And then vehicle number, suppose we just put PB10. Okay, so vehicle type is a four-wheeler, and floor first, then he will check the floor which is available for four-wheelers, and then he will check the slot number. And suppose he gave a fifth slot on the first floor, and he will save his entry, and record has been saved. So suppose a person wanna check how much vehicles are standing in the parking slot. So he will just through the go on current status and click on the record. So there, this is the new entry 30697 PB10 that we just entered right now. This is available, and another entries was lying before the video. He can also show the parking records, how many cars were parked before or and now time. So you can just click on show parking records, and it will show all the parking records. He can just print the parking records, and this pop-up will open, and by clicking on print, you can print all the on database. In the meantime, I just fast check the things, and to show the real result, I have just forwarded the time. So he will just fill the when at the time of checkout, he will just check the license number and the photo of the guy or girl with the from the database, and he will just upload the vehicle number to fetch all the details about time. See, this was the entry that wasn't and that has been checked out, so he will not show any of details. So this was the vehicle number that was PB10. So he will just enter PB10, and see all these details are here. Now he will click on calculate bill option, and the bill has been made for 14 hours because that was the time in the guy checked in. So he it will click on done and see amount to be paid is 442 and detail has been sent to registered contact number. This is the contact number that we took on the in the beginning of the registration. So the person will be send all the details and his and in as a message from bill time, checkout time. So he can be stay updated, and whether it's parking lot operator is charging him more or less. So that's and it will save paper also. So if we just want to see how many times the vehicle has entered our parking slot, so we will click on just search vehicle and input the this parking number, vehicle number, and see this is the record how much time that vehicle has been entered our parking slot.